hold up.
No, he's not.
Okay, we want to see. He's the, there he goes, 57, 55, and 86, 67. He's just tanker cars.
Well,
Alright, let's go ahead and see how fast he's going. He's going pretty fast.
speeding up now. He was going slow. 35.
Let's see at the end how fast he'll be. Man, that train is super loud right there. Oh, there's that tanker.
Bunch of tankers. Holy crap.
It's just tankers. You guys see the end of this train? Zoom in down there, see it. I see it.
Yep, that's it.
How fast is he going now? Well, wait till the complete end so you know how fast he's going.
36.
How many cars?
110.